Another reason I choose a macrobiotic approach is because it is my operating system. It helps me learn when to perhaps include more fruit into my diet and when to stick to more whole grains. Whole grains have been the centerpiece of successful traditional populations worldwide for centuries, for a long, long time. Another reason I just stick to a macrobiotic diet is basically just because of the overriding principles. We emphasize good quality sea salt. I have a cat bumping up against my tripod here. We emphasize using condiments, healthy condiments like miso and shoyu and tamari, and these are aged and they have live enzymes and a lot of health benefits. I do not believe that avoiding all sodium is really beneficial for all people on an all plant-based diet, because you're getting a lot of potassium and the body needs the right balance of potassium and sodium for all of the trillions of potassium, sodium, ion pumps throughout all of our body.